Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we get to rip in this abandoned driving range, this abandoned golf course, and we're going to have some fun. We got permission from the caretakers to do a little ripping today, and we also have a guest behind the camera. He loves video games. He has his own gaming channel, so I'll throw the link to that down in the description. If you like the content in today's video, make sure you hit that like button. Also, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. Let's get at it. All right, we found an abandoned driving range. We're going to rip these buggies on this abandoned driving range. And I got the GoPro on the Rovan, so we're going to see how it works. It's the better one, so it should have the image stabilization. Let's get some ripping. Crazy music.
There's the GoPro on top.
Crazy music. This is like the best place we can rip it. Cut you off.
today, right here's our little cameraman right here. That's my son Andy Dandy. He's doing a great job today. He wanted to come hang out with us as we ran these things. And we got something for him to play with over there in the bag. We're gonna let him run here in a minute while these motors cool down.
Oh, we're letting Andy here run some 12th scale. Oh, man, that thing's quick, isn't it? Now, we did a review on these. Oh my gosh. And if you missed that video, go ahead and click up in the right-hand corner of the screen and watch that video now. These things are pretty awesome for what we paid for them. Oh, that's there. Man, 2 wheels. If you can do that for more than 20 feet, that'd be awesome. Your headlights out again. That thing just keeps on trucking. Oh, I'll give you $100 if you can hit that car.
1, 2, 3, go! I had to get away from you.
Well, it looks like we lost some nuts on the back of this. So, we're just going to run without it for now. We'll have to get some better nuts put on there.
Better nuts.
Better nuts.
Hey, we're having a blast running these things. Is it broken?
Well, no, it was smoking. I think it got some grass hot or something down in there.
All right, well, fire it up and just run. It'll cool down. Careful.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. We had a blast around these cars in this abandoned driving range. If you like the content, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And with that said, God bless you, God bless America. Be empowered out.